Hello, we are on another topic right now. This is broiler finisher feed using BSF Larvae. We have to be faster, please. And if this is your first time of coming across this channel, please tap the subscribe button and activate the bell notification so that anytime I release an interesting topic on this particular channel, you'll be among the first set of subscribers that will get notified. Black soldier fly larva. Broiler finisher feed. Let's go there. Here we have the serial number 1 to 15. We are using 15 ingredients here. Here we have the raw materials, the quantity, we have the crude protein content, we have the crude protein calculation. Broiler finisher. Broiler finisher is between 19 to 20% crude protein. Now let's get there. Maize, we are using 45. 45 times 9. 9 is the original crude protein content of white corn. 45 times 9 divided by 100. Now, this will give us 4.05. The next one is soya bean. Soya bean is, we're using 5% here. 5 times 45 divided by 100, which is equal to 2.25. The next one is GNC, granite cake, we're using 5%. 5 times 45 divided by 100, 2.25. Next one is wheat offal. You can see we're using almost the same ingredients, but different figures. Wheat offal, we are using 10 kg here. 10 kg times 10 times 15 divided by 100 to give us 1.5. The next one is rice bran. Rice bran, we're using 7 kg here. 7 times 14 divided by 100, which is 0.98. Then the next one is pancake cake, PKC. We're using 5 kg. 5 times 18 divided by 100. This is 0.9. The next one is BSF Larvae. BSF Larvae here, we are using 10 kg. 10 times 40 divided by 100, which is equals 4.0. Next one is blood meal. For blood meal here, we are using 3 kg. 3 times 80 divided by 100, which is equals 2.4. 2.4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next one is meat and bone meal. For meat and bone meal here, we are using 5 kg. This will give us 5 times 50 divided by 100, which equals 2.5. Others remain constant. Limestone 3 kg, vitamin and mineral premix 0.5, salt 0.5, methionine 0.25, lysine 0.25, enzyme and preservative 0.5. Now let's add up all this and see what it's going to give us. This is 4.05 plus 2.25 plus 2.25 plus 1.5 plus 0.98 plus 0.9 plus 4 plus 2.4 plus 2.5 equals 20% crude protein. This is 20% crude protein. 2.8. This is good for broiler finisher. with BSF Larvae 20.8 CP. Please, you can see how we got all this. This is your first time of coming across this channel. Subscribe, activate the bell notification. Please, you want me to go in for layers feed. Even if you're not into layers farming, are you having turkey and you want them to lay egg for you? You need to go in for layers. This particular feed with BSF can help you bring up a very quality layer that will drop egg on daily basis for you. Drop it in the comment section. Let me know if I can actually have the number of people that will demand for it. I'll go for it. Remember, whatever I produce here, you need to consume it. If you don't consume it, there is no need to produce it. So if you want me to go in for layers, drop in the comment section. For now, I say bye till then.